To set touch and hold spacebar Samsung keyboard as voice input in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select language and input. Select on screen keyboard. Tap Samsung keyboard. And then tap swipe touch and feedback. Tap touch and hold spacebar. And then select voice input. Touch and hold for voice input. And then if you hold touch and hold spacebar, voice input will be shown. Let's do try. Open app need keyboard, for example message, and then tap on hold spacebar. Voice recognize legal info. Read privacy notice and then tap agree. Okay, tap agree. Hello, this is tap and hold. Oh sorry, cannot receive. Okay. Let's to try on Google search. Google search use Google voice, cannot use Samsung voice, cannot use in Google search. Internet, let's to try in internet, and then tap and hold touch and hold spacebar Samsung keyboard. Continue. How to use Samsung keyboard. Okay, you can use voice input with long tap spacebar. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.